Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Knowledge. In this particular video, I will be discussing few basics of machine learning with all of you. So if you see here, basically first of all, I will be discussing the types of machine learning. The types of machine learning. So what are the basic types of machine learning? So first type is like if I am saying that is supervised learning, right? So what is the meaning of supervised learning? Very basic meaning I'm telling you. The model learns in this supervised learning, the model learns from labeled data, right? It learns from labeled data with input output pairs, right? So this is very basic meaning of supervised learning. So what can be the examples of this type of supervised learning? Like predicting house prices. Predicting house prices, it is also related to regression. Or classifying emails as spam or not spam. It is a problem of classification, right? So if email is coming to your email ID, so whether it is a spam or not a spam, how that classification is going to be done, right? So this type of problem also we deal in supervised learning. Now, which type of algorithms are the part of this supervised learning? So firstly it is linear regression, and then logistic regression, support vector machine, SVM, and neural networks. All these can be considered as supervised learning. Now after that, the next thing is, if I am saying, next thing is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning, in this one, what are the basics? What are very basic things about it? So if I will talk about unsupervised learning, so what will be the definition of this? The model find patterns or structures in data without labeled outcome. It means in this type of unsupervised learning, there is no labeled data. So without labeled outcome, right? So what can be the examples? Like customer segmentation, identifying anomalies. Okay, these type of examples we can deal in unsupervised learning. What can be the algorithms can be like k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and principal component analysis. In short, it is PCA. Now we'll talk about third type of that type of machine learning, that is reinforcement learning. So the model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties, right? So this is very basic definition of this. So which type of example can be connected here? So game playing boards, right? Robotics. So these things we can understand in reinforcement learning. Which type of algorithms are there? Like q learning, deep q networks, dqn. So these are few basic things which I covered in this particular video. So this is very basic video, first video about the types of machine learning. Okay, I hope very basic things about it now might be in your knowledge. So thank you so much for watching this video.